Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel, My Sugar Boo Cakes. Let's get started with the recipe. Start with cracking eggs into a large bowl. Add the sugar and whisk to combine. Dissolve the sugar using bain-marie, and then start beating using a hand mixer. Gradually increase from low to medium-high and continue beating. Add flavoring and continue beating till ribbon stage. Halfway there, almost there. This is the exact consistency you need. It is called the ribbon stage. Now beat on low speed for a few seconds to get rid of the large air bubbles. Add the already sifted cake flour over the foam in 3 to 4 batches and fold gently after each addition. Stop when you see no dry flour remains, and do not overmix. Gently warm the milk and oil together and add about a cup of batter to it. Now whisk to make a light fluid emulsion. Pour this emulsion back into the main batter and fold gently, just until even. Pour the batter into the pans. Bake at 160 degrees Celsius for 25-30 minutes. Once cool, wrap and rest, at least 1 hour before slicing.